Hi, this is Ajay Kandula. I work as a product manager for a multinational banking company. I purchased this flat in 2019 in Aparna Cyber Life Nalagandla. While we were having our interiors done, I was looking for wardrobe doors that do not come outward and eat up a lot of space. So my interior designer suggested these glass sliding doors from SLIDO, where we installed it in one room and we found out that it looks very classy, elegant and enhances the ambience. Moreover, it increases, it feels like as if the room is bigger. So we got it installed in other bedrooms as well, and we were happy with its durability. As you can see that it's been 4 years we have been using these sliding doors and we haven't got any issues so far. We had only one minor issue with the soft closing, and when we contacted the customer care, they were very responsive and fixed the issue immediately the very next day. I would strongly recommend using SLIDO for all your wardrobe needs. Thank you.